Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know that moving your assets between exchanges is a key skill. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from KuCoin to Coinbase in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to stay safe. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your knowledge, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both KuCoin and Coinbase, and that your USDT is in your KuCoin wallet. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see all your cryptocurrencies listed. Find USDT in that list. Next, click on USDT and select the Withdraw option. This will open a form where you need to enter the withdrawal details. The most crucial part is entering your Coinbase wallet address for USDT. Remember, USDT is typically on the Ethereum network or Tron, so double-check which network your Coinbase wallet uses to avoid any errors. In 2025, make sure to select the correct blockchain. Ethereum is common, but confirm in advance. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary. KuCoin might charge a small fee, so check that before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit the Withdraw button. You'll probably need to confirm this via email or two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. The transaction time can range from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into your Coinbase account and check your wallet. You should see your USDT deposited there. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and maybe refresh the page. A quick tip: always verify wallet addresses multiple times to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That's a common mistake that can lead to permanent loss. Also, keep an eye on the crypto market. Prices can fluctuate while your transaction is processing. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn USDT from KuCoin to Coinbase. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.